Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a computer restart after clicking shutdown when I shut down my PC restart automatically. So how can resolve? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, click on a network adapter. Select a network adapter which is used to connect your internet. So right click, go to your properties. After that, go to your power management and make sure that allow the computer to turn off this device in safe mode must be checked in. So in my case, it's already checked in. So checked in, click on OK and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. So after opening that, first of all select the HT local machine and expand it. After that, go to your software and expand it. After that, select a Microsoft and expand it. So here is a Microsoft and expand it. So I want to, okay. After that, find out a Windows NT. So go down and find out a Windows NT. Now here is a Windows NT and expand it. Select a current version and expand it. And after doing this, that scroll down and find out a Windows WinLog. So find out a Windows login. So here is a Windows login. So select it, and after doing this, that open the power down after shutdown. Open it and change the value data 0 to 1. So select the video value data is 1, press OK, and after that close the registry editor. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is resolved. So if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type edit power plan. So open a edit power plan, go to your power options, select choose what the power button do, and make sure that what the when the press the power button, make sure it's selected shutdown, and when press the sleep button, it's make sure selected sleep. So after that, close it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.